Alrighty, what is up, you guys? Well, today is day one of me joining TRW, or For Real World. Pretty much, I'm going to be documenting the entire process. Today is November 1st, and please excuse the hair because I just showered and I finished a 12-hour shift and I'm pretty tired. I digress. Let's push on with the day. And yeah, welcome to day one. I'm not sure how I'm going to be releasing these videos, but if you have joined The Real World, then what's your experience like? What do you like? What do you don't like? So let's actually jump in, of course. Let's see what I can bring. And this video is exactly why I joined specifically. Your reasons might be different, but I joined because of the content creation side of things. What do you guys think about it? Just for context, I paid for this with a credit card because literally right now I have less than $50 in my bank account. I probably have about $4 to my name. And no, it's not because I'm lazy. I still work full time. I actually work about 45 hours a week because I also work on Saturdays, as well as I try to do things such as, side hustles, e-commerce, all that sort of stuff. It's not worked out, but hopefully my future will be better because I have a goal of obtaining a Porsche 911 in the future, as well as moving out of this current house. I share a bed, so that's always cool. And I live with 5 other people in one of the worst areas in Queensland, in Brisbane. So yeah, I want to make enough money to get out and I commute 1 hour to work every day, 1 hour back, so it's constant 10-hour days, as well as working out and everything like that. Alright, so forgive me for looking like a panda, but welcome to day 2. Currently it's about 4:35. I'm being quiet because everyone else is asleep. There's people right above there. But I'm gonna have my coffee and I'm gonna go to work in about 10 minutes. So 8 hours and an hour in traffic. So today's goal is to actually come back home and continue studying the real world, the AI bootcamp for about an hour. And I need to work out today too. So, and on Thursdays, we need to start work tomorrow. So Friday, 4 a.m. So I gotta wake up at 2 a.m. So I gotta go to bed at 6 p.m. So that's gonna be challenging. As you can see, my car's all the way down there. Which is stupid because I pay rent and someone has taken my spot. So now I gotta park my car about 3 minutes away and I'm already late. And I gotta walk my car, which means I'm more late. So currently on my lunch break, and what I'll be doing is I already have my food, so I'll just be watching a few more of the lectures. During my lunch break, I got about 20 more minutes. Then when I get home, do about an hour and a half of studying and hopefully implement what I've learned, because without implementation of a thing you're learning, in reality, it's just procrastination. So currently it's about peak hour for school time pickup. It's 3:41 p.m. and I'm gonna be having some food. I'm gonna be starting at 4 p.m. going until 5:30 p.m. Then I need to go work out, do a quick workout, maybe 20 minutes, and sleep at 6 because tomorrow I have to wake up at 2 a.m. to get to work at 4 a.m. So yeah, good luck to me. So currently I'm doing the self-improvement course. I still got all this to go, and after this I will be moving on to the content creation and AI course because I want to do that. Hopefully within the time of the weekend, which is 2 days away, I'll actually start it and implement it. Tell me in the comments below which one you guys are doing and why. So today is literally like this. Sleep from 8 p.m. to 4 p.m. Have breakfast between 4 and 5 leave for work, 6 to 2 go to work and just work, then drive home. It takes me an hour, lunch and shower, then 3:45 to 4:45 depending on traffic. And when I get home, I can do deep work now. So you can see I can do TRW, which is for real world, and I can do a quick 20-minute workout, and I can have dinner, then go to sleep. And I will delete these because I have no time to actually do these things before the day ends for me, as I'm currently going to be waking up at 2 a.m. tomorrow. The time is currently 5:03 p.m. I just went through a whole bunch of modules in this. And since I've got to go to sleep in about 45 minutes, I am going to go eat some food and chill out for like 45 minutes and go to sleep. Right, so currently it's 6:31 p.m. I gotta go to sleep, get at least 7.5 hours, and wake up at 2 a.m. to get to work tomorrow at 4 a.m. So good luck to me. So currently it's about 3:45 a.m. and I have to work at 4 a.m. and all the way until 12 p.m. I'm gonna watch 1 or 2 lectures of self-improvement. Then after that, I'm gonna go home, have some lunch, and maybe spend 4 hours on the actual TRW courses. And after that, I'm gonna get into content creation because I'll more than likely be done with these self-improvement modules. Then it's full-on content creation after that. Have some lunch, then get back into the TRW course. How's your experience going if you're a part of TRW? Currently 1:30 p.m. and I'm gonna do my laundry, then I'm gonna have my pre-workout, and I'm gonna go to the gym, come back, and do TRW. Alrighty, what's up? It's currently a new day. It's Saturday. It's 6 a.m. I'm gonna go have coffee, come back, work on bed, work on TRW, and have to do a few videos for YouTube, social media, because yesterday I got the iPhone 15 256 in the yellow, not the Plus or the Pro version, just standard iPhone 15. So I gotta do that for my social medias, and as you can tell from my voice, I'm not sick, it's just I woke up. And out of my 6 housemates, 2 of them are leaving today. That is literally how broke I am. I live in a horrible suburb with 6 housemates, and it's 2 person per room. So we got 6 housemates and we got 3 rooms, 2 per room. Currently I'm working on a video, so yeah. I just finished my lunch. It's about 2:30 and it's time to go back to get some more stuff done. So I've done pretty much 2 full YouTube videos today. I'm uploading 1 and I'm continuing the one that I'm technically doing right now. So yeah, today's busy. Today feels like a lot, but we're fine. Alrighty, so we're finally concluding day 3. I did 6 hours and 12 minutes, and I have completed one of the courses. I actually took 1.5 of course. So it's about 8 p.m. I'm gonna go to sleep. Wake up at 4 a.m. again tomorrow. So, whoop, my brains are melted today. Alrighty, so today's Sunday. I just woke up, and I think it's day 4 today. So let's get into it. Probably minimum 10 hours. So we have just finished about 4 hours of deep work. I'm still going through the training modules because there's a lot. And I'm gonna have about a 20 to 30 minute break because I've not eaten all day. I've been awake since about 5:30 a.m. As you can see, another course is now completed, which is cool because that took forever, but we still got more to go. And I apologize for outside. It's very loud right now. Now this is the one I wanted to start, so let's get into it. 12:41 p.m. and I'm probably gonna finish about 2 or 3, so that gives me a solid 9 hours. So that plus yesterday, plus my job, I did about 70 something hours this week, and I did a video yesterday too. And I'm technically doing this video while I go, so keep putting in the work. Right, so we finished up a day with 5 hours and 16 minutes of the course. Apologies for the rain in my fan. It's currently 8 p.m. and I'm gonna go to sleep. I just still need a shower. But today and yesterday is about 5 and a bit hours today. And yesterday was about 7 or 8 hours. Tomorrow will be day 5, so that'll be interesting. Nearly a week by then. So yeah, it's going well, slow progress. Alright, what is up? It's 4:32. Welcome to day 5. I need 2 more days into day 7. But yeah, I have to go to work, have breakfast, go to work, come back, more studying. It's hard. I swear my car keeps unlocking by itself. This was forwarded yesterday. Well, today is the 6th day out of 7 days in TRW, and the thing is, I had no time yesterday at all to do TRW because I literally got home, took a nap, went to the gym, came back, cooked food, and my girlfriend was like, oh, let's go like watch a movie. And you can't just ignore your girlfriend just because you're trying to do something. So yeah, today and tomorrow technically my final days. My provider, Optus, you guys suck. You know, I'm paying for a service and apparently it's going to be down for 2 weeks. So I don't know how I'm going to do anything when I'm on my break, but see how it goes. During my lunch breaks or my regular breaks, which are 20 minutes, I normally would spend it studying TRW. But due to the networks that Optus is now put out of place where worldwide Optus networks are down, I can't do anything. Can't text anyone, can't watch anything. I really have to get back into TRW when I get home because I literally can't do anything right now. I can't even text or call anybody. Alright, so I just finished my workout. It's currently 8:01 a.m. Now I have a choice. I have a choice between filling up on fuel because I'm nearly empty and not being able to afford food for the week, or not getting fuel and going to work and not being able to get work past Tuesday. So that's a difficult decision. But nonetheless, I'm already tired. I still have to eat my food, do TRW, as well as make content, do this video. Today's a difficult day. No one really cares. No one cares besides me. No one should care but me. Digress, not care about our feelings and push on with the day. So by now, I'm making a video for my tech channel. The iPhone 15 that I just bought, it should be finished transferring all its files. So I need to upload and do that video today, as well as make a couple of reels and shorts. Then after that, I will be doing more studying as well as content creation. Then after that, my girlfriend will be coming home, and apologize for shaking if I do. My arm's shaking now because I destroyed my biceps. After that, she wants to go to Westfield, look at some makeup stuff. You know, you still have to be a good boyfriend, even though you're super busy. Just prioritize stuff to get first. And yeah. So I just got on my lunch break at work, and welcome to the final day, which is Thursday for me. And it's officially been a week since joining TRW. So I'm going to be ending today, then today I will give my final thoughts, so stay tuned for that. But so far I'm liking it. It's definitely given me a reason to get back into it more consistently, because I see other people getting results, which therefore inspires me to be like, if they can do it, I can do it, sort of. Alrighty, so I have finally finished editing about 99% of this, and my laptop sounds like a jet engine, so I'm going to turn it off as well as my fan so I can actually talk to you. Alrighty, since you guys can actually hear me now, and while this is stuck on saving project because it's a very old laptop, so here are my thoughts on TRWN. If you should or should not join, and listen very, very closely to my answer, because I'm not going to lie at all. If you're trying to study TRW or any other course on the market, understand that the only thing that will happen once you've studied it, you've done the first thing, you've gone and studied it, so you have the knowledge to do the thing that you learned to do. And the second thing, this is where 99.99% of people mess up. They study that particular field that they want to do, whether it might be content creation or whatever it may be, but they study it and they don't take action, or they don't post videos, which is where they actually mess up. So that's step 2, which is taking action. It's extremely important, because with step 1, you got the basics, you know how to do everything. Step 2 is putting those things that you have learned into action. Without step 2, then step 1 was pretty much pointless. Besides the part of putting implementation and action into TRW or any course that it may be, with the community, it's great because you get to see other people's results with the same type of campus that you've done. So for example, if you're doing social media marketing, then you can look into the social media marketing category and see specific people doing that particular thing that you've learned to do, and be like, people are making a few hundred or a few $1,000s from this, so therefore if they can do it, now I can do it. Because they've learned the same information that I am learning, so therefore we are on the same level, just they've taken one step further, which is step 2, which is taking action and doing the implementation instead of just passively learning. And besides the student, the professors actually put on many live events, so if you are in a time zone where you can actually catch up to these professors, then you definitely are able to chat with them, maybe ask them a question, or say something that you're grateful for, such as thank you for making this course for me, and I'm sure they'd feel grateful by it. But I want to show you my absolute favorite category besides just for learning and seeing the other students' results. Within the real world, you got things called lifestyle flexing. It's a category which you can show your wins. So for example, if you like Rolexes, you can see people buying Rolexes. Or specifically for me, I like Porsche. I only want Porsche. That's the only thing I care about. You can see people buying stuff like this, like cars, Rolexes, making money, whatever it may be. If it's flashy, it's more than likely someone probably has made it in the TRW course, whether that's money, they improve their fitness, they bulked up, they lost weight, or they bought a Rolex, for example. Or like this one, they bought a Porsche car, which is something I want to do. Because the only thing I want is a very nice car. I know some people are going to watch this video and say, oh, don't be materialistic. Yeah, shut up. It's a cool car. Or if you literally just want money in the victories section, or you can see this kid, he made 15 grand in about 9 months. As you can see, it was nothing for a long time. Then all of a sudden it started going up. Then all of a sudden, boom. He has made about 14 grand and he's 15 years old. So he's doing very well for himself. We've got other people posting things such as YouTube, they made money from like flipping items, they done money from trading, they done money from other sorts of things. So even if that alone motivates you, or if you want to, you can even hop in there, message them and be like, yo, what do you do? And any tips or anything like that. And they are more than likely to answer you. I've done this and it's cool. I've had conversations with people. I think TRW is great. I think it's cool. But as long as you put action into what you actually learned, then it's going to be definitely worth it. Unless you're going to watch it and do nothing, then keep your money, don't do it. If you guys are interested in mentorship by me, then definitely check out the link in the description below, because it invites you to a free 60-minute call with me where we talk about your content creation process and where you want to go. Or even if you've not started and you're just thinking about it, we have 16 minutes to talk about it. And if I feel like you're fit for a program that is coming up, then we can talk for the next 30 days one-on-one, where you get 24/7 support with me via chat, and you get 4 weekly calls with me, as well as I hold you accountable to actually go and create content, because creating content is amazing and it can lead into multiple streams of income if done correctly. So if you're interested, then check out the link in the description. And if you liked today's video, remember to like, also subscribe. I worked hard on this. It took several hours. It was annoying, but I got it out there. And if you are in TRW, once again, comment what you think about it in the comments below.